Harvesting sweet potatoes in January in our backyard farm. Next on Old Celtic Farmer. Old Celtic Farmer here. This is January the 16th, 2021. Started on my Hugelkultur. Started getting it ready for spring. Started pulling back. I don't know if you can see that over there, some of the vines. And so when I started pulling back some of these vines, I saw something here that I stopped and went and got my camera and decided to investigate right along with you. Look what we have here. Mercy. I pulled the vines and these two sweet potatoes popped off the vine, so I'll go ahead and start them. But look at this. Would you believe this? I got into it a little bit. This is taro up here. This is taro right here. You can see got some taro right there. I have to transplant that. But look at all these starts of the sweet potatoes after the harvest from last year. Oh my. I don't know if you can see this or not. Some more. Look at that. This is sweet potatoes that have kept growing. Look at this. This is the way to grow sweet potatoes. Get them in these Hugelkulturs. I'm gonna keep digging here. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand. I'll get back with you here in a little bit. But Hugelkultur, like I tell you, I'm seeing some more over in there too. I don't know if you can see that in there or not. I'll get back to you here in a little bit. Y'all stay tuned. Well, I got excited and I started digging and I started pulling them up, and then all of a sudden I started getting small ones. That's where I'm going to stop. I pulled maybe about 25, maybe 30% of this Hugelkultur. You still see it keeps on going down there, keeps on going around there, goes around the backside. You gotta mimic what nature does. I don't know how much I can stress that on people. If you want to grow food in your backyard and feed your family year round, you can't be going out there and trying to do what scientists tell you to do. You need to listen to nature. Nature will tell you what it wants. Nature will tell you what it needs to grow. You don't see from the world, when the world began, all these little scientists running around out there with their little lab coats, sprinkling this and sprinkling that and changing the genetics of it to where now, sure, you got 3,000 tomatoes all look the same, but the nutritious value is gone. They don't taste the way they should. They're genetically modified. You come back 6 months later and they're still sitting there the same way. You can run to the store all you want, and when you look in the mirror, you still see that you're getting fatter, your blood pressure is still going up, your arteries are getting clogged, and you're eating a ton of fruits and vegetables. I'm telling you, common sense will tell you to get back to the way nature intended man to grow their own food in their own backyard, to feed their family. Y'all have a seriously blessed day.